Hello and welcome to the Marks Electrical Studio. It's white goods time in here once again, and for this product review we're going to be talking about an appliance and indeed a range that we consider to be very, very special. So allow me to introduce the AEG L7FEE845R Washing Machine from the 7000 series. Now there are certain things you can come to expect when you acquire an item from the 7000 series by AEG. Come to expect an energy efficiency rating of A+++. In this case, it's minus 30%. That's the sum total of which it's more economical than A+++ only models. You can come to expect an A grade for washing performance. So no matter how efficient this machine is, it doesn't compromise on results. You can come to expect a capacity of 8 kg in that drum, which would suit a busy medium-sized household. And you can come to expect a lot less time waiting for cycles to finish and a lot less time spent by the ironing board. Let me explain why. Now there's more to this washing machine than meets the eye. So let's go through the washing cycles, programs and add-ons that make this appliance as great as it is. Let's start with a couple of certifications. This certification here relates to the Soft Plus feature you'll see here. You can access that by pressing the manual temperature and spin speed buttons together, which will access a function that offers optimized detergent dispensing that spreads uniformly over each and every load when applied, and the effectivity of which has been approved by these two cleaning giants, Ariel and the Knorr. What more certification could you need? Talking about certification, how about the Wool Hand Wash Safe Blue scenario? That is accredited by the Walmart company and relates to the wool cycle accessed by the control dial there. It means that items with hand wash only in their care instructions are perfectly safe going through that program. That is very, very handy. The digital display has further options here. Buttons include an eco button that will cut down on time electricity, save time with the time saver options. There's an extra rinse there, stage and pre-wash. You can treat your clothes before you start a cycle with that. Manual temperature and spin speed I've discussed, but let's go through the program options. So easy to access. Cotton, synthetics, delicates, wool we discuss, steam we will discuss. Anti-allergy removes a lot of allergens. 20 minutes, just 20 minutes it will take to wash 3 kg of lightly soiled laundry with that particular setting. Outdoor can treat clothes that have water repellent properties. You can put your duvet in here, sportswear, but it's this that I really want to talk about. ProSteam Technology, because that is a game changer. Now, before I go into steam cleaning, I must talk about ProSense technology, which uses built-in sensors to weigh each load and can adjust the resources used accordingly. It's very much a part of the energy efficiency process. You'll see ProSense clearly labelled there, and you'll see the weight of each and every load clearly weighed underneath. There can be no mistake. The steam program is brilliant at removing creases from dried, washed or worn once laundry, while at the same time removing odours and deep down stains, so your clothes look as good as new. Then there's the plus steam button that can latch onto the end of any program and perform pretty much the same functions of the process, and the drum that you'll see here will continue to move for 30 minutes after the steam has been introduced. When it's done, simply open the door, take your clothes out and get the coat hangers ready. So let's start to wrap up with the dimensions of this fantastic model then. This product is 847 millimeters in height, it is 597 millimeters in width, and it is 571 millimeters in depth. Please leave 5 millimeters as always either side for clearance. And that's what we've got to tell you about the AEG L7FEE845R washing machine and the 7000 series, and these certainly are products that we'll be recommending to our customers. You can buy these appliances now from Marks Electrical. Simply follow the YouTube link below the video you're watching. It will take you straight to our website where you'll see all of the purchase options, including finance, and you can have this washing machine in your home tomorrow with our next day delivery service. Please do hit that subscribe button below so you'll always know when we posted a new video to YouTube, and please leave lots and lots of comments. We'll be more than happy to answer your queries about the fantastic 7000 series by AEG. That's all for now for the Marks Electrical Studio. We'll see you next time.